Ready to have a fast conversation with Grok AI? Here's how you start chatting. Let's get started. First of all, after logging in into your account, you'll see your Grok dashboard right away. Click on New Chat or Ask Grok, depending on the platform that you're using. Type your question, prompt, or message in the chat box, and watch Grok AI work its magic. And that's it. You're officially chatting with Grok AI.
By the way, while we walk through these steps, it's worth noting that Grok AI is deeply integrated with X platform. So, whether you are creating content, browsing, or engaging with posts, you're just a click away from a powerful AI assistant that's designed to stay up to date and real-time information. Pretty neat, right?
If you enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.